How much does it cost to register a lasting power of attorney? Hi, it's John from Owns Estate Planning here, and we're going to be looking at that question in this video. Now, obviously this video is done in a certain time at 2018. This is May 2018, and prices will change as time goes on. So please just base this on the information that I had at the time of making this video. So to register a lasting power of attorney, you have to send documents off to a place called the Office of the Public Guardian, and they have a set charge to register each document. Now, just to summarise very briefly about lasting power of attorney, just in case you don't know, there are two types of lasting power of attorney that an individual can take out. One is for someone's property and finances, one is for their health and welfare. So when it comes to the registration process, you have to pay to register each individual power. If you're a couple doing powers of attorney, let's say you're going to do both types each, well then that's four powers of attorney which need registration fees paying. Okay, so at the moment the current rate is £82 per power of attorney. Now this £82 can be reduced by 50% if you can prove that your individual income is under £12,000 a year. Now this does include benefits such as attendance allowance, carers allowance, things like that. So that must be included when we're looking at your total income. It also does include income generated from savings and investments and ISAs and things like that as well. So all forms of income must be declared when working out, obviously, where you come. Now, just to clarify here, that when we say individual income, we really do mean individual income. Often I say this to a couple and they go, oh no, our joint income's £20,000. Well, that's fine, because one of you is going to be over 12 and one of you is going to be under 12. That's worst case. It might be that you're both under, but often you find that one person's over, the other one's under, and they think it's joint, so they think, oh no, it's over 12, neither of us can get it. That's not true. The person whose income is below 12, they will get that 50% off. Then sometimes you'll find clients who receive certain benefits, and those benefits alone will actually mean that that registration fee is completely wiped out. Now, there are quite a list of benefits, so I'm not going to list them here now because they will change over time and there's quite a list of them. But if I just could talk about the most common one, or maybe the most common one or two, and then hopefully this will give you some guidance as to whether or not you might qualify. The full council tax benefit is the first one. So if you get a council tax bill at the start of every year in maybe March or April, and it says, £1,500, let's say, for the year, then minus benefit of £1,500, total bill zero, perfect. That means you will not have to pay your registration fees. You just need to submit that council tax statement along with all the relevant paperwork, and you'll get it free of fees, which is fantastic. The other one that you sometimes see is in a person's state pension statements at the start of every tax year. Some people will get what's called a credit guarantee credit, along those lines anyway, and that again will get the registration fee completely wiped out. So either of those, and sometimes housing benefit can apply as well, but like I say, you need to look at it at the time. But just be aware that some benefits will get you £0 registration fee, okay? Now, one thing that people often hope will be applicable but isn't is attendance allowance and carers allowance. Just because you get those, they will not get you the registration fee for free. As usual, any questions, please contact me via my website. My number's on there, my email address is on there, or just use the contact form and let me know any questions that you've got. And if you do contact me, I look forward to speaking to you then.